Understanding standard contractual clauses in data privacy. Imagine a world where your personal data travels across borders every day, from one country to another, without losing its protection. That's where standard contractual clauses come into play. These are official, pre-approved contract templates created by the European Commission. They help companies transfer personal data from the European Economic Area to countries that might not have laws as strict as those in Europe. The goal is to keep personal information safe, no matter where it goes. At the heart of these clauses are binding promises made by both the data sender and receiver. The sender is usually a company in the European Union, and the receiver is a business outside the EU. Both must agree to follow rules that protect personal data, just like European laws requiring. This means the receiver must keep data secure and respect the rights of the people whose data they handle. Standard contractual clauses include some key points. First, they limit what the data can be used for. The data receiver can only process the data for the reasons listed in the contract. Second, they promote data minimization. Only the necessary information should be transferred, reducing the chance of data being mishandled. Third, the clauses ensure that individuals have rights over their data. They can ask to see what data is held, correct mistakes, delete their data, or object to certain types of processing. Another important part is risk assessment. Organizations need to evaluate the risks involved in transferring data, considering the laws of the country receiving the data and the nature of the data itself. If there's a breach or if safeguards are not enough, the organization must pause processing until the issues are fixed. Transparency is also vital. Data subjects have the right to know which clauses govern their data transfer and can request a copy of the agreements. These clauses are used in many situations, whether between data controllers, those who decide why and how data is processed, or data processors, those who handle data on behalf of controllers. They can cover one-time transfers or ongoing data exchanges. In the realm of artificial intelligence and technology law, standard contractual clauses are especially important. AI systems often need large amounts of personal data from different countries for training or analysis. Using these clauses ensures that data transfers comply with the European General Data Protection Regulation, helping organizations avoid legal trouble. For tech companies and AI developers, standard contractual clauses provide a clear, reliable way to handle international data flows. They help avoid lengthy negotiations and create consistent standards for data protection worldwide. This makes it easier to develop and deploy AI solutions across borders while respecting privacy laws. So, in simple terms, standard contractual clauses are like a safety net that keeps personal data protected, no matter where it travels.